Follow my exact steps to fix Mafia 2 not opening problem. So first of all, you should go to the Windows icon in the Windows taskbar. After that, go to settings. In the left menu, select the Windows update. After that, select download and install all updates. Make sure to do that for the failed updates and even the stuck ones. Once done, you can close this. Now go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Select the NVIDIA app. You can download it from their official website. Now you'll be redirected to the home. Make sure to sign up with an account or log in with an existing one. Now go to settings in the left menu and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. After that, go to drivers and then make sure to install and download the latest available driver. For the next step, you should go to the Windows taskbar and click on this upside arrow. If you do find the Steam launcher appearing like this, just right click on the icon and then select exit Steam. Wait for a short period of time. After that, relaunch the Steam once again. Next, you should go to the library where you have the games on, select collections. Now in the left menu, just look for Mafia 2. The game must be installed for this to work. After that, select this gear icon and then select properties. Write in -dx11. After that, select installed files. So make sure to select verify integrity of game files and wait for the process to finish. It will fix some issues that possibly related to your problem. Now close. After that finish, you can close this. Make sure to restart your computer before you launch the game and see if the error is gone. And hopefully the problem is vanished. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.